2, 3.
It's an odd one to have on your bucket list, but at 91 years old, Walter Thomas doesn't have time to mess around. The great-great-grandfather has now fulfilled one of his dreams of smashing a car through a garage door, and he wasn't disappointed.
It was thrilling to get to do it after all these years, which I never thought would ever happen. It was like breaking a wooden box, sort of a crash, crunch. Pieces flew.
Killing two birds with one stone, the garage in Woodstock, Illinois was due for demolition anyway. So what next for America's oldest adrenaline junkie?
I don't know what I could do to top it. Getting too old to top anything. Just live life to the extreme.
And good old Walter is certainly doing that.